continuation. He's still doing power circles. There is no call. They're making up a call right now because I'm standing here. Otherwise, maybe they're crazy enough to decide to come over here for some made up reason, and that's possibly what they're all debating because they're psycho. Secondly, they could just be trying to make up some kind of cover-up call because this guy was really getting into it and figured that he could just spotlight, and then he got stuck in this area doing power circles, and then he called for help. Hey guys. And then the third option is that they're doing a cover-up for the transformer fire, and they're saying that there's another transformer fire and that he's doing circles. So either way, they're all fake, and they all have to do with me, and they're all illegal and corrupt. Cut, save.